Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove background color in text box in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document is the show text box. This text box is the from background color from the remove. Now click on the text box. Now going to the format menu option. Now click on the shape fill option. Now click on the no fill option. That's okay. Then you show the text box is remove background color from in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.